Hi everyone, and welcome to Great Mirrors Public Library's Thinkers and Tinkers Lab Home Edition. My name is Jen, and I will be here every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. to do awesome STEAM activities with you. So that's science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Today, we are going to be doing the S in STEAM. We are going to be doing some science activities, slime science. We're gonna make 3 different kinds of slime today. So up on your screen right now is all the materials that you're gonna need to make your slime. If you wanna go ahead and pause the video so you can follow along, now is the time. I'll just be waiting here. Got everything you need? Great. But before we start making our slime, we have to do a little bit of scientific thinking first. We need to make a hypothesis about which of the 3 slimes we think are going to be the best. Slime number 1, slime number 2, or slime number 3. But what is a hypothesis? Well, a hypothesis is our best guess. To help you make an educated guess, let me show you some footage of the 3 slimes after they're made. Slime number 1, slime number 2, and slime number 3. Okay, now that we've seen the slime up close and personal, I want you to think about 4 characteristics or criteria that we could use to judge which slime is going to be the best. The first is viscosity. How thick and gooey and fluid is the slime? Is it like slime? The second are the amount of ingredients that we have to put into the slime. Is there a lot? Is there a little? And the third is the effort that it takes to make the slime. Does it take a lot of effort or a little? And the last is what I call the X factor. It's something that you didn't expect but you love about the slime, or maybe you hate. Do you have your best guess? Do you know which slime you think is going to be the best? Well, let's put it to the test. Let's start and let's make slime number 1. Okay, slime number 1, we're going to need some food coloring, a 1/4 cup of hair conditioner, and 1/2 cup of cornstarch. We're going to start with our bowl. You're just going to dump your cornstarch in. And you're going to go ahead and add the hair conditioner. You'll probably want a spoon or a spatula or a little craft stick like the one I have to mix it in. Scrape that all out. There you go. Next, you're going to add your food coloring, whatever color you like. I like blue. You're going to do 5 or 6, maybe even 7 drops. And you're going to begin stirring that in. Next, I'm going to add a little bit more, 1 more tablespoon of the cornstarch. This is going to help it to be a little less tacky, a little less sticky on your hands. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. We'll just add a little bit at a time until it's the exact right amount of stickiness for us. There, that looks a little better. Okay. And you can grab it with your hands and start to knead it. And there is your first slime. Okay, it's time for slime number 2. For slime number 2, you're going to need 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of shampoo, 1 full cup of flour broken into 2 1/2 cups, a tablespoon of olive oil, vegetable oil, or baby oil, and whatever food coloring you like. I chose green for this slime. You're going to start with your bowl. You're gonna add the water. There we go. Next up, you're gonna add your shampoo. Grab a craft stick or your spoon or your spatula or whatever you're using and just scrape all of it inside there. Get it all in the bowl. Perfect. Next, you're gonna add 1/2 cup of flour, so half of a full cup. Then you can go ahead and add your food coloring. This one is a really light green, so I'm adding a few more drops than I normally would. If you're using a darker color like a blue or a purple, you won't need as much. You can go ahead and start mixing. And you'll see that it's gonna start to clump together a bit. You can see little chunks in there. And so to thicken it up, we're gonna add another 1/2 cup of flour. Now you'll see that's a little bit sticky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the olive oil. That's gonna help stop it from being quite so sticky to your hands anyway. It's gonna smoothen it out a little bit. The last slime, I added extra cornstarch to make it a little thicker, a little bit more like a putty or a Play-Doh. This one I want to leave like slime and really have fun with it. I'm going to get messy. So if you want your slime to be thicker, a little less sticky, you're going to add more flour to this batch. But for me, I wanted it to be real slime. Oh, look at that. And there you have it. Slime number 2. Quickly, I just wanted to show you slime number 2 when you add more flour. It's a lot less sticky, same amount of fun. Okay, slime number 3. You're going to need a microwave safe bowl. You're going to need toothpaste. You're going to need a lotion of some kind. This one's an Aveeno lotion. You're going to need baby oil, but you could probably also use vegetable oil or olive oil. And you're going to need the food color of your choice. I chose a pinky purple for this one. You're going to start by squeezing out some toothpaste. And see, I didn't do too much, just enough. Next, I'm going to add my food coloring. Did about 4 drops there. And I'm just going to mix that around, mix that all in. Okay. We're going to take this and we are going to microwave it, which means you need an adult. So you need to ask mom or dad or your older brother or sister, some adult in the house to help you microwave it, okay? Because it's going to get quite hot. All right, so I'm going to start and I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds. Ooh, smells minty. So, you can see that it's starting to look a little bit different than toothpaste. So I'm gonna mix it around. I'm gonna put it in for another 30 seconds. gonna put it in the fridge and let it cool off. Okay, now that my slime is nice and cool, I put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of moisturizer. So I'm going to start by adding about a squirt. And I'm just going to mix that in. Scrape some off. Mix that all up in there. Okay. Now I'm going to add some oil. Add some baby oil. Some good little squirts in there. Mix it all around. And there is slime number 3. We did it! We made all 3 slimes. Now, I want to hear from you. Was your hypothesis correct? Which slime really was the best? Think about the 4 criteria: viscosity, ingredients, effort, and that X factor. Go ahead and leave a comment, post a photo or a video of your slime. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys on Thursday at 2 p.m. for more STEAM fun. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, Gravenhurst.